guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you all know, I just moved recently and we're going to be organizing in this video. I'm going to be doing the kitchen, under the sink and all that, the bathrooms as well. And I want to get this mess out of the way, so I just want to start organizing. And if it takes me a day, 2, 3, then so be it. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So I got some new kitchen sink organizers and I got it in black and in white. I'm trying to debate which one to choose. I'm thinking about the black, might look a little bit better. It's gonna go down here. Yeah, there's a mess there, but I don't know. I thought I was gonna want to change it to the white since I already have something black before, but I'm thinking the black just looks a little bit better. Putting the other one over here, but it's too big, so I think I'm gonna stick to my old ones and just use these. These don't slide in and out, so it's not as convenient, but I find that it has more space on the top and also the bottom, so I feel like I might just stick to these and then return those. Alright guys, so I'm done. This is what it looks like. Obviously it's not super aesthetic. I'm not going to change all the bottles and put them into clear bottles. That's just too much work and it's just a lot. So yeah, we're going to have the Dawns and the Tilex and whatever, and that's what it's going to be like. But at least it's organized. I can get all my stuff, you know, easily. Yeah, I know what this is. It was all good at first, spending money, going shopping, eating at the finest restaurants and it won't club. After she was with her with me, bottle popping, living it like that. She just didn't understand my lifestyle and that I ain't like that. And like weary in the world, got your diamonds, got your pearls, but I can't help it if they be attracting all the girls. Baby, I'm a superstar and that come with it. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like. I have to get some new lids for these because these are starting to get a little rusted, which is pretty gross. So I'm gonna order some new lids and also some new labels. I took them off, washed them and everything. And then I have the rest of the refills and stuff up there. I have my oil and vinegar, salt and pepper shakers, utensils over here. This one is like a miscellaneous so far. Glasses are here, vases are up there, which I want to maybe change that, but we'll see. Right here we have the plate. Up there I have my Tupperware, but I have to put it down because I use that stuff, so I don't want to be climbing up there every single time. So again, I'm gonna have to switch that. Maybe I'll put this on this side or over here, we'll see. But for now, everything has some sort of place. This is the messy cabinet right now. This is like my pantry, I would say. I just threw everything in here until I actually fix it. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest, babe. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. So I have my pants back there, some shirts, sets right here, more shirts, short sleeves, bodysuits, and just like crop tops and corsets right there. Spare hanger. There I have my shorts, then light jeans and darker jeans right there, and I have my cargos over there. I have my shoes down there, and then on this side I have my sweaters. I left one of the coats out just because this is one that I would actually use when it's not that cold. I have some sets here, I have some sweaters, blazers, some dresses here. Then I have my short dresses right there, and I have the long ones in the back. And I have my bags up there still. I have my suitcase there. I put my bins in here because I want to keep my bins and I have nowhere to put them. So that's where they're at for now. I have some clothes here that I don't want. I might do a Poshmark. People were saying that they would care for that, so I might do that. But I'm not sure yet because it might be a lot of work. And yeah, I still have a mess everywhere. And I look like crap. So look at my hair. Yeah, not cute. But you know, we're home, we're fixing up, it's chill. I was too hungry to wait, so I started eating, but I made some rice with salmon and like an avocado cilantro sauce on top. It looked like this, but now she looks like this. It tastes so freaking good. Somebody gotta step up, somebody's on next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're
made progress down here. So this is what I have so far. I have my hair stuff, product on top, tools on the bottom. Then I have some extra hair things, some just miscellaneous in the middle, miscellaneous on top, and then cleaning stuff right there on the left. So that's what it looks like right now. Much more organized.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this.
Action,
Pull up
girl.
skirt, in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shouting, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he.
So we are done in the guest bath. I didn't put anything in the shower because I'm not going to use the shower. So if somebody comes over and needs it, then obviously I'll stock it up. But for now, it's just empty. I just put the soap dispenser right here with the little tray that I already had. Tray's from CB2 and this is from Target. And I put some of my clean skin towels right there for drying your hands and stuff. I put my little faux plant right here in this corner with the trash can, also from Target. These towels are from Target. I went for like a little green because I want some color but not super bright. And then I put my wall art right here. I really like it, it's super cute. I just need like a little candle or a reed diffuser to put on this corner. I'm making progress, so I'm happy. So I moved everything from this cabinet over here. I think it fits better. It's a bit more roomy for my stuff. As you guys saw, I put new lids and labels on my spice jars and they look so cute. I love it. So this utensil holder here keeps moving back and forth when I open up this drawer. So I'm gonna put some of this. I usually always put this down whenever I move because that way the drawers don't get messed up and that way I don't mess anything up since this is not my house. Hey guys, so we are in the main bathroom. Here's what it's looking like right now. So I fixed all these things in here. I love these organizers. I just got them and I really like them. I got this big one right here, then some large ones for like the tall things. I got 2 of those. It comes in a set. So that one comes separate, these come in a set, and these come in a set as well. This is here for now because I have to put it somewhere else, like these boxes. What I have, there's my tier organizer. So on the bottom I have body butters, and then up top I have some hair stuff and some more body care. And we're done. Doesn't matter what time it is, that's not staying there. The worst thing is waking up in the morning to a sink full of dishes. No ma'am. Hey guys, so kitchen update. I got this little bowl. I'm still trying it out, seeing if I like this little setup, but I think she's cute. I caved and I got the Smeg toaster. I got it in the beige color, but I also ordered the white and the flat white or the matte white. That way I can kind of see which one I like better. So yeah, those are coming in a couple of days. Then I got those books. I don't know, I just feel like I want to add pops of color, and the green is subtle but it's still something, and then it kind of goes with like the limes, and I always have limes at home because I'm a lime girl. The apples not so much, as you can tell they're kind of going bad and I haven't had them, but whatever. So I also kind of fixed this up a little bit. My camera's dying, 1 second. Okay, so like I was saying, I fixed this up a little bit more just so it can look a little bit better. I'm thinking about getting some new containers for that, like the glass ones with the bamboo top, just kind of tie all together, but I don't know if I want to do that. I also fixed this one. It's my favorite one right now. She's cute and functional. I'm putting the glasses and stuff there, you know, the plates, the bowls. I feel like it makes more sense. I got these little risers from Home Goods actually. I was there yesterday and I found them and they were like $4 each, I believe, $3 or $4. So I got 2 of them and they fit perfectly. At first I was trying to play with it, but it worked out. And I have some more glasses over here and some more right there. Over here I just put my Tupperware. That way I can access it, you know, easily. So I put the ones that I don't really plan on using anymore up there since I got these now for my meal prep because I'm trying to do that. And then I put my mugs back there. I put this one in the front because I'll probably use this one more than the ones in the back. I have my food scale, these little containers here. I also found this thing at Home Goods yesterday. It was $4, I believe. And I put it here for the paper plates because I use them all the time, but I don't know where to put them since it's not gonna look cute over there. So I was like, oh, let me just see. And it actually works out fine. It may not look the prettiest. I think it would be better without it, but it's just functional.
Can I be free? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I feel it this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, pen gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
So the table is done. I'm trying to figure out if I should leave it right here, if I should put it on this side. If I put it here, I'm gonna have to get rid of my desk, but I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. But yeah, so I just have like kind of a mess right now since I have some boxes and things of stuff that I still don't know if I want to keep. Anywho, at least we're making some progress. I'm gonna just put this and fix this around. Put a little mirror that I got from Amazon that can have like a little vanity area. I want to start doing more like sit down kind of beauty videos for my short form content, even for here, if you guys care. So that's why I kind of wanted to have my little vanity, because I wanted to have a place to just kind of chill, do my makeup, and just vibe out instead of having to be standing up in the bathroom doing it. So I'm gonna just end the vlog here. Next vlog you'll see whatever updates I make. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.